Hello mga loves, for today's video, mamalingki tayo. Let's go to the market. We will buy sudan. Kasi I'm hungry. Kay gutom na. Mamnyang diyan kita. Magpalit kita uni sudan. Chance. This is a wet market. So, pili-pili na. Kung uni sudan nun. Kay magutom na. Anong
sapi ka saya?
Gamay na pwede yung sapi ka ng dati.
Wala lang.
Okay guys, luto na. Muuli na kita. Kay mukhaon na ta. It's so very luto na guys. So let's go home and eat because I'm hungry. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And loves you.